Hey, Walter Sorrells back with more tips for the knife maker. Today, a little behind the scenes with our latest knife, the Slimline Shadow. So I've probably got about 300 videos out there, and most of them are teaching you something. This one's not really going to do that. It's just a little behind the scenes kind of promo of our latest knife, the Tactix Armory Slimline Shadow. It's a limited edition that's just going to be available for, probably a couple months or so. So I'm not going to kid you into thinking there's going to be a whole lot of teaching going on here. This is mainly just kind of a little backstage view of how we made our latest Tactix Armory knife.